Hello student, this is a question of combined mean and this comes under central tendency where in the question is given the average wages paid to all workers of a factory is 5,000 and the average wages of male worker is 5,200 and average wages of female worker is 4,200. We need to find out the male and female percentage of that company. To solve this, we're going to take a help of a table and let denote N1 as total number of male workers and N2 is equal to total number of female workers. So in this table this will be N1, this will be N2 and this will be N1 plus N2 and the average wages are given already. So let's denote this as x bar 1, this as x bar 2 and this is as x bar. So this will be 5,200 given, this will be 4,200 given, and this is 5,000 given. We know the formula of combined mean is N1 x bar 1 plus N2 x bar 2 divided by N1 plus N2. If we put the numbers here, then it will be 5,000 equal to 5,200 multiplied by n1 plus 4,200 multiplied by n2 divided by n1 plus n2, which is equal to 5,000 n1 plus 5,000 n2 is equal to 5,200 n1 plus 4,200 n2. This will be 800 n2 is equal to 200 n1, which means n1 divided by n2 is equal to 4 divided by 1. That is male is to female ratio will be 4 is to 1. So percentage of male worker will be 4 divided by 4 plus 1 multiplied by 100. This will come to 80% and percentage of female worker will be 1 divided by 4 plus 1 multiplied by 100. This is 20%. So this is our answer. Thank you.